Hey, Bailey. There are big clipboards in that brick cabinet right there if you want to put one. I have bigger ones.
Luigi's Mansion.
So I got
Luigi's Mansion.
This is a matte
Luigi.
Which one you're doing and which one you want. Apron, because that stuff's gonna go about. Don't spray yourself with paint. There's a drawer in there of chalk pastels. And then there's also some more chalk. So where Cheyenne is, the cabinets that are like at on the floor. Yes, I do. Do you have a cutting desk? Media paper should be fine.
In the middle of the dark and
There should be some up there, but also in the brick cabinet, there's like some like paper pads with different types of paper, so you may see one of those that says pastel.
Mansion Luigi. Luigi's Mansion Luigi. Luigi. Mansion Luigi's Mansion. Luigi's Mansion Luigi. Luigi's Mansion. Goes. Every morning, knowing all these mansions. Well. Luigi's Mansion.
How do you think I made it? How do you think I know? Well, you only had his birthday. I use box cutter and scissors. Does that count?
I know, dude.
Megan literally got him a birthday.